Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about the align command. So this align command will align object with other object in 2D and 3D. This command is located in the modify panel. This is the icon for the align command. We can also type in our command line AL for the align command. So example, we are going to create a line. So this is a line, and then we are going also to create a rectangle. So this will be our object. So we are going to align this object to this line. So we'll select in the modify panel the align command, and then it says here select the object. So we'll select this object, enter, and now specify per source point. So from here, so let's say we want to align this object from here going to here, and for our second point we'll use this point and then going to here, then press enter. Next, scale object based on the alignment point. So we'll select no. So now our object is aligned to this line. So let's make another example. We'll also create a line here, and then we'll type AL for the align command. Select the object, we'll select this object, and this time we are going to align from this side to this line. So we'll select this one from here, and our second source point, and this will be here. Enter. Then scale object based on alignment point, we'll select no. So we align the object in this way. So last, we are going to use the scale object. So we'll select the align command, and then select the object, enter, and then for our first point we'll select here, and this will be our point, and for the second we'll select here, and this here our point, then enter. So now we're going to select yes. This will scale the object based on the alignment point. So this is our alignment point. This is our first alignment point, and the second we select this here. So this will scale the object to this line, wherein we select our 2 points from here and here. So we'll select yes, and this will happen. So our object has scale based on our 2 points, wherein we select first this one and the second point here. So our object has scale in this size. So we'll do another example. Align command. We'll select this object, enter, and then now we're going to select from here, and let's say this is our first point, and from here we'll select here, enter, and we're going to scale the object based on our alignment point. So this will be here and somewhere here. So the result of this, our object will be scaled. So we'll select yes. So as you can see, our object has been scaled into a smaller size based on our alignment. So this is how it works in the 2D, the align command. So next, we are going to use this command in the 3D. So we'll change our view. So we're going to use this line for our reference. Now we're going to create an object, a 3D object. So I will just create a box. And let's say we have here, let's say this is a refrigerator. We'll change our view to realistic. Okay, so let's say this is a refrigerator and we want this to align this line. So we'll select the align command in the modify panel. The same procedure, select the object, enter, and for the source point, so let's say this is our first point here and our second here, and then press enter. Scale object based on alignment, we'll select no, and our object is now aligned to the line. Okay, so next we are going to use the scale the object. So we'll select the align command in the modify panel, select the object, enter, and for our source point, so we'll select here, and we're going to use this object scale, the one that we scale in the 2D for our reference point. So let's say first one is here and the second one in this one, and then enter, and we're going to scale on the alignment point. So this is our alignment point, so the result of this object will be scaled to this size. So yes, so this is now the outcome of the scaled object. We use the align command. Okay, so this is how it works in the 3D. Example, we are going to use the align command in this floor plan. So let's say we want this bed to be transferred to this side. So we'll first turn off the hatch. Okay, now we'll select this one, and then we're going to transfer to this one. So again, align command, select this bed, enter. First point from here, we'll put it here, and then this one, second point, we'll select this one, then enter, and then we'll select no. So we change the position of the bed in our floor plan. So this is how the align command we can use in our drawing. So this is it guys for the align command. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click notification bell to receive the latest video from this channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.